In the digital ecosystem of 2026, visual first discovery is the pulse of consumer behavior, and Pinterest stands as a hybrid search engine and social network where the rules of engagement are constantly evolving. Welcome to the advanced field of rich pins, an essential element in the architect's toolkit for building authority, trust, and automation into e-commerce and content-driven platforms. Imagine two sellers. The first pins appealing covers for her digital books, but every change, price, cover update, or headline requires hours of redundant editing, and misleading legacy pins erode her credibility. The second seller, however, has pioneered the implementation of rich pins. Her catalog synchronizes in real time as she launches a 30% discount or updates her blog's titles to capture SEO trends. Her Pinterest content aligns instantly without manual revision. This is the difference between merely participating and strategically leveraging Pinterest's full suite of dynamic capabilities. At the heart of this transformation is the strategic sandwich framework. Previously mastered were the psychological levers, the mechanics of keyword mapping, and the motivational triggers within idea pins. But rich pins are operational genius. They function as live synchronizers. Every image is not only a gateway to content, but carries with it a live feed of curated, up-to-date data extracted from the business's own platform. The business logic behind this evolution is automatic authority. In a marketplace wary of misinformation and expired deals, static pins can betray a brand's reliability. Alter your product's price, and a static pin is instantly out of sync. With rich pins, however, Pinterest engine interrogates your website's underlying metadata, open graph or schema.org tags, and retrieves the current status, price, or description, then broadcasts this information live. This technical foundation is so pivotal that by 2026, the absence of rich pins on an e-commerce or knowledge brand is seen as amateurish, akin to launching a web shop without an SSL certificate. Implementation begins with the metadata layer. For most, this is streamlined by SEO plugins like Yoast, which sculpt your web pages with structured data readable by both Google and Pinterest. Once the code is in place, the Pinterest Rich Pin Validator acts as a gatekeeper. Submit a product or blog link, and Pinterest's engine will verify and subsequently authorize rich pin functionality across your domain. Article-rich pins grant blogs enhanced visibility by attaching verified headlines, author credentials, and meta descriptions. As a result, users pause, trusting that beneath the preview image lies not random commentary, but vetted expertise, a concept Pinterest's algorithm rewards. Product-rich pins deliver live price updates, stock statuses, and purchase links. The genius, however, is an automated retargeting. When a user saves a rich pin and a price drop occurs later, Pinterest proactively notifies them, leveraging the platform's notification architecture to nudge conversions without paid ads. Trust within the Pinterest ecosystem is now quantifiable. By minimizing user friction, the steps required to verify or act on a pin, and maximizing metadata clarity and visual quality, the trust factor becomes a metric for strategic assessment. Each rich pin is a clear, trustworthy signal in the crowded visual feed, inviting user action and algorithmic favor. Upon mastering rich pins, your content architecture shifts. No longer a gallery of static images, your Pinterest profile becomes a living extension of your storefront or blog, a digital asset base that evolves alongside your business, automates buyer engagement, and signals your brand's commitment to accuracy and professionalism every time a new pin surfaces. In the world's largest visual discovery engine,